First of all, open your project in CapCut. Now add your video in your timeline. Once your video added, go to Captions. In here, under spoken language, you have to select your current video language, or you can select your auto detect. This will automatically detect your language from your video. And now all you have to need, click on generate, and CapCut will start to make auto captions from your video voice. And here we can see my captions successfully generated. Now let's play our timeline to see our caption on your smartphone. So as you can see, captions perfectly added. Now if you want to customize your caption text or font, you can just select all captions clips and select text. And now from here you will be able to change your caption font family. You can adjust your text size. You can select any text preset from here, just like this. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.